Hello everyone, I hope you are fit and fine. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the difference between repetition and alliteration. Many times we are confused because of the figures of speech, and we have so many confusions in our mind regarding repetition and alliteration, and in hurried manner we have written all the time wrong answer. But here I would like to clear your concept of repetition and alliteration. So let's start with the first one, that is repetition. So let's see the definition of repetition. Repetition is a figure of speech where in a word or a group of word is repeated. And of course, repetition is a literary device that repeats the same words or phrases a few times to make an idea clearer and more memorable. So, of course, the poet is enhancing the language of poetry. And here, he is always using the repetition to make his poem memorable. So, here, let me tell you the example of repetition. Take the example Mahatma Gandhi said, work, work, and work are keys to success. So here the word work is repeated for 3 times. And of course, why it is repeated? To enhance that particular point, to emphasize that particular point. So here it's very clear that this word is repeated for 3 times, so that's why here we have the repetition. Remember, here you will get the repetition of the same word or maybe phrases or maybe group of words, and so due to that repetition is happened. And in the alliteration, this is not the same like repetition. In alliteration, in which a series of words begin with the same consonant sound. So this is all about the consonant sound. It means in English we have the vowel sounds and consonant sounds. So this is related with consonant sound. And here I have taken one example of the poem from the poem, and the example is like this: green grasses grow. So here green grasses grow. G, g, and g. This sound is repeated, and due to that, remember, here we have the alliteration. Let me tell you, alliteration, this is the figure of speech which is related with the consonant sound. And if a series of words begin with the same consonant sound, you can easily say that here we have the alliteration. So after this, don't be confused in between alliteration and repetition, because repetition is the repetition of the whole word, and alliteration, this is the repetition of the consonant sound which is at the beginning of the word. So I hope your concept of alliteration and repetition is now cleared. I would like to thank you for your cooperation. Stay home, stay safe.